Hey guys, today we're gonna do like a really cool like green and gold eye look. So I thought that I'd just film it for you and yeah. So anyway, first things first, I'm just gonna primer my eyes with the P. Louise base. We're just gonna get straight into it today. I'm really excited. I'm really nervous because I have like an idea in my head of what I want this to look like, so I'm really hoping it looks good. I think we'll be fine. So for today, we're going to take my P. Louise Money Shop palette. This is full of greens, so I feel like it's the perfect palette for today. So you can see all of them here, and then on the like lower level, we have more of our kind of like khaki kind of shades. Yeah, I'm just gonna figure out what type of vibe to go for. So I think the first shade I'm going to take is called Polaroid, and it's like a yellowy mustardy kind of colour. And I'm just going to use that as like our kind of like transition-y shade, if I can find a brush, that is. So yeah, going into the shade called Polaroid. Why can I not say that? Polaroid first. And I'm just going to start by like mapping out where we want this eye look today. Okay, so I've got something like that going on. To the other side. Oh my god. I forgot that I had swatches on my finger. I've just put that on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank god we're at the start of the look, because could you imagine if I did that when we were like halfway through? God, that happened then and not later. I'm gonna bloody get these swatches off my finger while I'm here as well. I can't believe that happened. That's so funny. Thank god that, yeah, like it didn't happen later on though. Oh god, that would have been a nightmare. Okay, I'm just going to quickly put my base back on. Oh, okay. Take two. Honestly can't believe that happened. That's so funny. Okay. So now that we've got that shade on, we're just going to go into a different brush. And I'm going to go into the shade called Motion Picture, I think. And we're going to put that on next. This is kind of like a olivey kind of khaki shade. I feel like these shades work really well together. I just feel like they also look like so pretty on the eye. Like they're just so, they make such a statement, you know? Okay, so I've got something like that. Now that we've got that shade on, I'm going to go back into our Polaroid shade and just lightly run that over the top and just give everything a blend. I still can't believe I put that shadow on my eye. Not as happy with the blend over here. Just gonna give that a couple more minis. Alright, going into a different kind of green now. I think I'm gonna take this shade called Action. Oh, I don't know though. I'm gonna start by taking it on a bit of a like smaller brush. I think Action is the best shade, I think. Hopefully it doesn't look awful. And with this shade as well, I'm kind of creating like a tail almost. I'm gonna still do a half cut crease, but like I want this to come out kind of thing. Like you'll understand what I mean when we get there. Kind of like something like that. Obviously it needs a bit of a blending, but this kind of isn't looking how I thought it would. So I'm a bit like, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna go back into the Motion Picture shade and see if like blending it helps. Okay, anyway, let's just keep going. Guys, I just don't know. I'm gonna take like a clean brush now and just blend it all, not that one. I just can't tell like if it's gonna come together. I'm gonna go and cut my crease and then we'll just have to see how it looks when we come back. So I ended up just cutting the crease fully because it wasn't working. So I think what I'm going to do is take a shade called Hollywood. It's this one here. It's quite dark, and put that like on half of the cut crease. So let's do that. Let's hope that looks okay. I'm thinking about taking like a kind of flat brush to do it. I feel like this is going to hopefully be better. So I'm going to bring it to about halfway. I'm going to draw it where I want, and then I'll take like a fluffy brush and blend it. Mind you, this is such a cool colour. I love this one. I'm really glad I decided to cut the crease because I feel like it just wasn't working. So, okay, I pulled that one along a little bit too far, but that's fine. So I'm going to put a gold shimmer over the top. I think that would look really cool. Let's have a look and see if there's any others though. Oh, there's that one. No, I'm sorry, it's gonna have to be that one. Okay, that one is called Script. So let's put her on now. Wow, that's such a pretty shade. So I'm gonna bring it along and then we'll blend it in a seckie. I'll go back into the Hollywood shade. Just like blend it. I still don't know how I feel about this. I'm hoping that like when I clean it all up and add lashes and stuff, it comes together. I am going to add this. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. And I'm going to line the cut crease. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, do the face and everything. You guys know the drill. Then we'll be back and hopefully this looks a little bit better. Okay guys, here is the finished look, and honestly I really like it now that everything is done. My lashes are on, got my foundation and stuff. I honestly think it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm super happy with how it turned out. I haven't put any other makeup on, like bronzer or anything like that, and there's a reason for that, but you'll have to wait and see why. But anyway, here is a close-up of the eyes. I actually really like them, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!